AI just changed the streaming industry forever. RIPOBS. Obskur is the first broadcasting software built on Unreal Engine 5 with seamless integration, making it easier than ever to build a successful stream. Create a stunning background with their easy-to-use 3D scene creator. You can create limitless dynamic environments with mind-blowing rendering, real-time lighting, and animations in minutes. It even connects with Twitch, so you can make 3D animations that interact with your audience in new, unique ways, increasing engagement. Stream in real life from your webcam, or as a VTuber, and take it to the next level by inserting yourself in a 3D environment. You can even edit materials, particle effects, and props to easily make a 3D scene. It easily integrates with iPhone or VMCP face tracking, and you can seamlessly bring in your own VTuber model with all of the features you're used to and more. You can even bring your VTuber to life by adding motion to your avatar with Obskur's complete mocap set that comes with 9 sensors. They even have a marketplace with high-quality interactions, worlds, clothing, and other 3D assets that you can easily add to your stream. If you use Steam Deck, they also have an integration so you can continue to take full control of your broadcast. This is a game-changing AI tool. Our fully AI live streams coming sooner than we think. If you found this useful, hit that plus button for daily AI tools. Don't miss out.